I graduated from the University of Iowa with a degree in exercise physiology in 2019. Since then, I have coached health and fitness to thousands, ranging from people in the general public, adolescents, seniors, and even individuals with disabilities. These individuals often hold so many thoughts and perspectives about fitness, health, and the gym that are just flat out wrong. Today, I hope to give you some practical wisdom to squash some of those same thoughts you might have about working out in 2023, making this a year you finally survive going to the gym. The last tip is the most important one, so make sure to watch until the end for that. Now, when first starting out, there are so many different questions you will have. Should I do cardio, weights, yoga? It can be so overwhelming that you literally quit just from the start. The best advice I give to people is to try out literally everything. Do some machines, take some classes, and find something that you enjoy. Don't stress out in the beginning and realize that just doing anything for your body is a great start. In addition to this, let's be honest. Most people don't enjoy working out. You get sweaty, tired, and it's kind of tough. This is why finding ways to make your workout more pleasurable are a great way to survive the gym in 2023. Bring your favorite music, wear your favorite workout clothes, and occasionally treat yourself after the gym with a smoothie. These external sources of motivation can be a great way to give you some drive. Now, cell phones can be a great way to increase our productivity, stay in touch with friends, and much more. Unfortunately, they can also be a huge distraction as well. I have spent countless sessions at the gym scrolling on my phone, sometimes burning 10 to 15 minutes in between a set simply because I become distracted. If you use your phone for your music, do your best to keep it in your gym bag, only taking it out for an emergency. And when you are first beginning in the gym, you will probably notice that there are so many others there as well. Some might look and move like you, while others, well, are extremely fit. This is where you want to avoid comparing yourself to these people. They have been working out for years, so don't judge yourself for not looking like them. In addition to this, you might think that these same people are judging you, but I promise you, they aren't. As somebody who has been working out for over 10 years, it makes me happy to see somebody new come in. And you can ask anyone who has been working out for a while and they will tell you the same. They aren't in there to impress or judge other people. They simply want to get their workout in and get out. And that's all fine, but there's still more to cover. If you want to continue to conquer the gym as a beginner in 2023, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We help individuals of all abilities with topics like this and how to navigate the gym, health, and fitness industry. Earlier in the video, we talked about how being on your phone can be such a huge time waster. In addition to this, not having a game plan of what you are going to do can be equally as bad. After you have figured out the layout of the gym, what machines and exercises you like, and what you want to do, implementing a daily workout from this is crucial. This will save you time by limiting the decision fatigue that comes with freestyling a workout. If you need an idea of a daily program, we created a cheap one you can find below. Now, one of the best ways to promote adherence to the gym is involving your friends and family in it. This not only makes your environment more health promoting, but it also adds a social component to working out. When you do this, you improve your mental health greatly. And in addition to this, having social support around makes it much easier to move through workouts when you aren't in the mood. On top of social connection, understanding the reason why you are working out is important for long-term results. Try to craft a reason that is deep to your emotion. An example of this could be wanting to lose 10 pounds because you have always wanted to fit into a large size shirt. This gives you a source of motivation and reason to keep going even when the days get tough. And when the days do get tough, understand that it will be okay. You are a human and life will get in the way. Won't always feel motivated to exercise, eat healthy, and get high quality sleep. When these slip-ups happen, accept it and move on to the next day. As I am recording this video, the last couple days I have felt down in my energy and haven't really pushed my workouts. Today, I feel much better and went for it. Not all days will be perfect, so expect these slip-ups and move on. Now, if you just started working out as a beginner in 2023, you probably still have a lot of questions. I think you would enjoy these videos right here, which can make you stick to your workout and health routine perfectly in the new year. I'm to tell me you're no good. I'm brushing away.